Okay, good morning children. Welcome back to our fourth chapter, that is Physical Education and Sports for CWSN, that is Children with Special Needs. It is also known as Divyang, as this is our part 3. In last class, we have studied about what is SOB, that is Special Olympic Bharat. These are the organizations which help for adaptive physical education. Now, today we will study about Paralympics, then after we will study about Deaflympics. So, what is Paralympics? Paralympics game is a major international multi-sports event involving athletes with a range of disabilities, including impaired muscle power, for example, paraplegia and quadriplegia, muscle dystrophy, polio, post-polio syndrome, spina bifida, impaired passive range of movement, limb deficiency, for example, amputation or dysmelia, leg length difference, short stature, hypertonia, ataxia, asbestosis, vision impairment and intellectual impairment. Next, Paralympic Games for disabled sports person. Paralympic is specially for, this is the Olympic Games for disabled sports person. It was first organized in Rome, that is in 1968. And the headquarters of International Paralympic is at Bonn, that is Germany. Paralympic Games are organized in parallel with Olympic Games, while the IOC recognized Special Olympics World Games include athletes with intellectual disabilities, and the Deaflympic include deaf athletes. In Paralympics, there are variety of disabilities that Paralympic athletes have. There are several categories in which the athlete compete. The available or allowable disability are broken down into 10 eligible impairment types. That is, International Olympic Committee (IPC) is the global governing body of the Paralympic movement. Events in 22 sports were contested at the 2016 Summer Paralympics. They are archery, athletics, boccia, para, canoe, cycling, equestrian, then football 5-a-side, then football 7-a-side, goalball, judo, para triathlon, powerlifting, rowing, sailing, shooting, swimming, table tennis, volleyball, wheelchair, basketball, wheelchair fencing, wheelchair rugby, wheelchair tennis, etc. Now, we will see what is Deaflympics. Okay children, the next topic is Deaflympics. Deaflympics, previously called as World Games for the Deaf and International Games for the Deaf, are an International Olympic Committee, that is IOC sanctioned event at which deaf athletes compete at an elite level. Unlike the athletes in other IOC sanctioned events, the Olympics, the Paralympics and the Special Olympics, the Deaflympics cannot be guided by sounds. For example, the starter guns, then bullhorn commands or referee whistle. The game has been organized by the Committee International Deaf Sports, Deaf Sounds, CISS, the International Committee of Sports for the Deaf, since the first event.